Hello guys, today I'm playing some Flag Wars, and I have a challenge for us today. I'm gonna see how much times I can touch and return the flags with only using a pistol. So let me unequip all of my other guns. So I can't believe I'm equipping my flamethrower, my minigun, and my ray gun. Then we're gonna equip the pistol. Should I use Halloween or festive? Let's go Halloween. Alright, so does it? I don't think it lets you unequip that. And we're only gonna use a default sword. All the worst things. Oh yeah. I'm also going to unequip my med kits and my dynamite. So now I can only use the pistol and my drill. This pistol is horrible. I thought you could hold it down, but a pistol you can't. Waiting for that. Whoa! I forgot I was even recording, guys. Ugh. I'm sorry, guys. Bruh, he killed me. This one isn't fun. It's the thing where you have to get the most kills, so. Yep. I'm bored. Let's get some more money. No, guys, I'm seriously bored right now. I want the flag. I want to actually do what the challenge was supposed to be. Whoa, I killed minigun dude. Yeah, he has an M414 or whatever it's called, and that thing's so good. I bet everybody's like, dude, you have the VIP, you have the crown and jewels, you have a really cool looking face, and you're using a pistol, cause that's what I would be if I saw somebody with all of this amazing stuff and they were using a pistol. Pistol is so horrible. So bad, I should say. I don't even know my vocabulary. Whoa. And I can't say words, and I'm in 3rd grade. Oh yeah, if you guys... Ah! Kill him! No! Bro, I'm horrible. Yeah, and I don't recommend buying the pistol and it actually doesn't even cost money. It's a gun you start out with. But you should not use it. It's horrible. So yeah. I'm just waiting till I'm just waiting for the next round to start so I can actually do the challenge of the game, which is to touch the flag. Nope, Nope. Nope. Yes, give me those 3 kills. No! I hate the M444444444414. Oh, I hate you all. I bet my team thinks I'm pretty DUMB right now, and I am. Yo, I got some wood. Bro! I hate you all! Guys, this is going horrible so far because there's no flag you can touch. I hate everybody on the other team. No! I thought I could have killed him, but... Yeah, this is how horrible the pistol is. Yeah, take that. Nobody will beat my pistol. Okay, I actually have died 12 times. I gotta get out of the way. I'm just gonna let them pass by. No! That's how horrible it is. You can't even kill somebody with it. This is horrible. I never knew how to check the stats. Kaiju Samuel. 7 kills and 8 deaths. The pistol's horrible. Reload, you pistol! I hate this game so much. Come on, let's get another kill. Take that, buddy. What? Yep, blue team wins. No! He disappeared. Come on, let's vote for the lab, buddy. Let's go. No! Yes! Stay there. Nobody switch. It's the lab. Yes! It's the lab. It was a tie, but they picked the lab. I'm voting for blue team. No! Hit me on blue team. Yes! Alright, we're going to start. And this one's the flag. So, come on, let's go. Get our team some points. Oh, let's go. We got the insane minigun dude. Let's go. And everybody follows me because I have this amazing drill. And this is why it's so good, because you can just do this. And then you'll make it over to the other team's side in 10 seconds. Two people with that. Yeah. Alright, guys. Are you okay with me doing this? Because I want to switch to all the starting weapons so bad. That's how bad this is. I can't see. No! Yes! That's... Alright, I'm changing to the starter guns no matter what you guys say in the comments. I can't click it. There. That's how bad it is, so I reckon you don't do it. What's gonna be the name? Maybe the festive will be more luckier. And I died. Alright, so. Go get the flag, dude. No, get the flag. Alright. There. I got the flag from him. I didn't bring any paper. Gosh dang. Just wait. I found a random piece of paper and pencil. So 1 point. Can't write. So that's 1 point for my team. Let's go. Get out of here. Get out of here. I hate you. I hate you. Get out of here. Get out of here. I killed him. Let's go. I'm insane. I ain't gonna let them touch it. You kill me. Kill him so he doesn't get it. No way. And yeah. Get a load of that, buddy. I can't believe I got a point. I thought I wasn't gonna get any. And why did it took like 400? Get the flag, dude. Oh my gosh, no way I'm making it away. Nope, I don't care about you. I'm getting... No! Get the flag! Get the flag! I hate my team. You can't even stop these babies. You have somebody with a minigun. If I was actually using my real weapons, we'd be winning guys so much. No! Turn to this... Someone's gonna steal the flag. No! Hurry up! Respawn, you weird. No! Don't flank the army! I just got sniped. That's just great. There's someone on the other team with the flamethrower. That's just... My team would be winning like 4-0 right now if I was using my real weapon. Hurry up! Hey, you pistol! This is how bad it is, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here. I said get out of here. Does he not know how that flamethrower works? How did he not hit me? Out of here! Out of here! You're dead, you're dead, you're dead. How are you not dead? There, you're dead. The knife is overpowered, but then this thing can't hit you, weirdo. Nope! Low health. No! I thought I was killed by the person with the knife. I was so close to killing him. Alright, it's 3-4. I'm losing. My teammates are horrible. How didn't they get the flag? I hate the sniper. Alright, I'm laying down. Maybe this more comfortable. Okay, this isn't more comfortable because now my hands are just... Yeah. Why? Why? Why do I have to hate this so much? You're dead? No! Boy who loved Roblox 4. I hate you. He's running away though. Scaredy cat. Scaredy cat. I hate everybody. People just kill you. When this... Ugh. No. Guys, a video has to end. It's already been 16 minutes. So in 16 minutes, I could return the flag with a pistol. Well, but a lot of this... Alright, once I finish this round, let's see how much. I hate my team. You're dead. Out of here. How did he randomly know that I was right there exact? Get out of here. Oh! I hope he drops the flag, but then I can get it back because then that would be another point. And right now I only have one. Yes! That is what I'm talking about, baby. And guys, I don't know why I'm even... It's kind of mean that I'm giving myself credit for this. Because other people brought it way back here, so, for me. But, the rules are rules, so. Let me just give me another one. Oh, oh, there's someone there. I hate this. Okay. I hate this even more. Oh. I want to make another video. This one is so painful. I hate you! Drop the flag right now, bro. You have a minigun. You're not going to drop the flag. Just... Are you guys scared? Yeah. You scared of my pistol? Yeah, and I'm never scared of any pistols. Take that. You dead. You dead. Okay, now there's 20,000 people chasing me with knives. I think I'll be going, gentlemen. Out of here. Oh! How? His knife isn't 10 miles long. What the heck? Oh, I hate this so much. I'm actually in pain. Alright, I'm going back to my sitting up position because... Alright, let's go. Yay. Yeah, how did someone get it? Look at that, nobody can beat my hero. You gotta return that, bro. No! He has the M16. That's the only reason I died. Drop the flag again. Drop the flag again. I'm letting you... Look at, that was a headshot. You almost killed me. Someone right there. Why are you hiding, buddy? Why was I crouching? I am STUPID. Can you die right now, please? Die right now. I never knew he... Why does he have a flamethrower and all those good guns and he's not using it? Take one. Yeah, take that. Oh, yeah. I didn't even get credit for it, so... What's that thing that says 2 times cash? I saw you, bro. I saw you. Where did he go? I saw somebody that was going our way and he was red. Maybe I'm dreaming. Nope. Bye-bye. I'll be leaving, gentlemen. No! I hate everybody! Wait, we still won. Oh my gosh! We still won! We still won! We still... He has the snake sniper. Use it better, buddy. I won somehow. I somehow won. Good game. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you had fun. Bye.